Hello and welcome to my unboxing video. This is the Bits of Stationery birthday box. It's Bits of Stationery's 5th birthday on the 31st of March, and this was the box that was put together for that. I'm Rachel, the owner of Bits of Stationery, and I just wanted to give you a little walkthrough of the box, what's inside, but we won't be opening everything. Because I want some of it to be a surprise for you if you do buy the kit. So with every order in March, you get the personalised sampler, so that's a sticker sampler, and you also get a A6 postcard or journaling card. So they have matching artwork on them. And then this is the birthday box itself. So it's a pink A5 box. I'm going to open it up. So the first thing that you get is another journaling card. So this one is exclusive to the birthday box. This isn't in the shop, and it won't be given out with any other orders. It's just for the box. So it's a double-sided journaling card. So that's the first thing. So I'm just going to pop that there, and then we're going to open and have a little look. So every single box will have the same in there. So first thing I'm going to open is this vinyl name sticker. I've just popped it in this bag just for the moment. But you can see this one hasn't got transfer tape on it yet, but it will come with transfer tape. And this is exclusive to the box. The vinyl used isn't available in the shop at the moment, and the font won't be available either. So this is an exclusive for the box. So obviously that will be your name, and it comes with instructions as well. You also get this purple, it's like a lilac-y purple die cut, foil die cut. Again, another exclusive. This foil option isn't available in the shop either. You then get this exclusive paper clip, which is beautiful. I don't know if the lilac-y tones, it's sparkly as well. Don't know if that's showing up. Let's open it and have a proper look, because it is very pretty. And you see the shimmer on that. Okay, so that's the paper clip that you get. Again, another exclusive. You get a lollipop. You get a die cut set. So I'm just going to open that and show you what's inside. So it's a set of die cuts that start with the back. So you get the girls celebrating. You get the girl holding a present. So you get 2 of those. You get the balloon, the presents, the glasses, and 2 different bows. Everything's all matching and coordinating. You then get a choice here, so you don't get both of these sheets. You can choose whether you'd like the smaller bows or the larger bows, and that's done because it depends what size planner you use or scrapbook, so you might prefer the smaller the bows. These bows can also be used as tabs, so you can see you've got the reverse of the bow, so you could take one sticker off and pop it on the top, and the other sticker would go on the back, and then you could sandwich a piece of paper in between the 2 stickers, and they act as a tab. So you can see everything is coordinating again. You also get a deco sheet, so everybody gets that deco sheet. Pop those over there so you can see what's inside. You also then get, and I'm not going to open this, I want this to be a surprise, you get an A6 exclusive stamp set. Little sneak peek, that is actually one of the stamps there. So you've got, and it comes in this packaging as well, this paper packaging. So you can reuse the packaging if you want to. You can make a dashboard out of it or pocket to keep stickers in. There's lots of different ways you can reuse this in scrapbooks or however you feel like it. But yeah, we're going to keep that a secret, what's in there for the moment. Let's just pop it. The next thing you get is you've got another one of these pockets. This is a slightly bigger one, as you can see. So again, you can reuse this as a pocket or as a dashboard. And inside here is a coordinating sticker kit. I'm not going to show you that because I want that to be a surprise as well. But you can see from the artwork that everything's all matching. There will be a size option for this. So as the bows, there's a small or large size. With the kit, there will be a Hobonichi Weeks or a standard vertical kit size that you can choose from. So yeah, we'll pop that one up there. You also then get, if I can take them all out together, you'll get a set of vellum. So you will get the glasses, which match again. You've got the girls celebrating, and you've also got the balloons. And then you get a set of cards, different cards that you can use either as dashboards. Again, you can make dividers out of them. You can use them in a B6 or when I set up a brand new month, I use card at the front of the month before I then customize the pages. So you've got 4 different sheets here. So you've got the like the starry kind of background, which if I just lean in, matches the packaging, the present packaging. You also get the balloons. You get the glasses, which again matches the packaging up here. And then you get a sheet with the presents on, again, all matching. And these are all A5, the vellums and the card. I am going to do a video soon as well showing you how I'm going to use the kit in my B6 Stalogy. But I hope you enjoyed watching that and that you like the kit. I'm so excited for it to go live. I will leave the links in the description below if you did fancy going and taking a look at the pictures, having a read through the description, you know, or if you want to get one yourself. The kits will go live in the anniversary week, which is next week. It's Bits of Stationery's birthday on the 31st of March, so the kits go live on that day, and I will pop lots of information, as I say, it'll all be in the description and the link so that you'll know exactly what time if you fancy getting one for yourself. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to leave a comment below, then I will answer all your questions. I love hearing from you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.